Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Roblox from the Microsoft Store Windows 11. To start, open the store and you can see that Roblox is installed from there. After, in the search box, enter Control, open the Control panel. Click on Uninstall a program. Here on the search field, enter Roblox. Select Roblox Player and after click on Uninstall. You're going to wait for Roblox to be uninstalled from Windows 11. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.